Trying to bite off its own tail. How about you?
I'm just sitting here staring at this dumb village. It's like there was a chemical disaster and all the little people had to move away.
So what are we gonna do?
I don't know. Should we call Mom?
No, let's not do that. She wants to be alone with Carl. And we should figure out how we can do this on our own.
Oh, hang on. It's Sarah. You know, she's always been the tiebreaker. Hang on. Hi, Sarah.
Hey.
I'm on with Kevin. I'm going to put you on conference.
Listen, I'm sorry, Chris.